This is my box, and I wish I had my sister here because she has amazingly good luck, but it's okay. I'm not really hoping for anything in particular, honestly. I just wanted to get a new box because I need commons. I mean, who knows? Sometimes the commons are pretty good. I mean, look, the last set, Crimson Blader, that shit was awesome. By the way, pro tip, always start on the right. The right side always has the best shit. Alright guys. Also, if you're watching this video, comment below if y'all are looking for anything, and I will see what I get. Mecha Phantom Beast, Aurora Ring, Magnum, Pixies, Dark Fairy, Chill Girl, Green Dust on, short print. Alright. They also have like this boxing, I guess, archetype thing that they're trying to do. It's kind of cool. I don't really know what to compare it to, but it's kind of cool. Starfish, Jewels, Wolf, Pebbles, Lead Yoke. Alright. Kraken, Headgear, Tridon, Spark. Jeez, I'm already getting all the boxers. Alright, so far I'm about 2 rares in. Which is kind of cool, because I actually wanted to check out that Dark Fairy chick, see what she's about. Garunix, Fire King. Can't believe that's a common. Mind Drain, yes, I need that one. Wolf, Tidal, one of the dragons. Counterpunch, Panther, Ariel, Gaga, Wind. Alright. Yes. Now I don't have to buy it. That's a good common. I hope they like reprint that in like an ulti version or secret version or something, because it's always awesome. Magnum Shield. Magnum Shield. Alright. Pixies, Glassjaw, King of Feral Imps, Buffalo, Spellbook of Miracles, Moondragon, Tatakawa, and Panther. Alright guys, so I'm about 4 rares in. Alright, hope I didn't screw myself, guys. Whoa. Shit like that would happen. Okay. That's not good. Alright, so Kaio, Abacia, Parsec, Big Whale, Constellar Sombre, awesome. Spellbook, Magnum Shield, Batman Boxer. Damn it! I messed up those 2 cards. That's it. I'm not taking any chances. I'm cutting these things. Okay, with scissors that I don't cut. Guys. And yes, I actually have cut cards across before. Wolf, Black Falcon, Aurora. Do a barrel roll. I think that's for the mech rolls. Dragon Ruler, Mimic, Tridon. Memory Loss. Alright, I wanted that one too. I'm more a fan of the commons. Like, I will gladly take commons if nobody wants them. Come on. There we go. Just because there's a lot of good commons.